sure we're recording. What's going on, guys? How's everybody doing today? That is great. I'm doing good too. I'll be doing better as soon as I get a few likes on this vlog. But in today's video, we are going to be going on the back road. If you didn't see the video before this video, yeah, that explains everything. But no, you're fine. If you didn't see the video before this video, it's just the video of our ride before this ride. You know, like, I don't care what order you guys watch them in. Just whenever you got time, just watch us ride. Yeah, we're going to the back roads for this video. That's what we're going to be doing in today's video, is riding on the back roads. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. My goal is to get 10,000 subscribers by the end of the summer. We started the summer with, we started the season with, I believe, 83 subscribers, and we're all the way up to 136. So 45, 60 subscribers, no, like 70. I don't know how much we get, like 35, I want to say, around there, 37. And if you are a subscriber watching this video, thank you for subscribing to the channel, man. You are awesome. I wanted to get to 10K subscribers, guys. So let's go. Let's go ride the back roads. Why not? Alright. I want to bust left up there. Back roads today. The back roads. The back roads, all of the back roads. And there's also a big neighborhood in here with big houses, so we might check that out. really just a nice spot. Now guys, alright, so I got something special coming for you guys now that I'm off the main road. I could talk to y'all. So I'm gonna tell you right now, because the last video I told you guys that he was gonna find out at the end of the video, which never happened. So guys, I created merchandise. We got t-shirts and hoodies out. But in order to connect the store to our YouTube channel, we need to have 1,000 subscribers and we need to have 4,000 hours watch time. It's just YouTube standard rules. It is what it is. But yes, we have merchandise, guys. So please just subscribe to the channel, watch our videos from the beginning to the end, short form and long form. And yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Let's turn around and actually, hold on, I am not going in this property right here. It's a real nice house, and the store behind this house up here, that big one, the store behind that mansion up there, is that house used to belong to the owner of this whole road. And now I'm gonna pull up here, right here, on the side of the road, and let's see what our recording is at. Hold on. Actually, should we go up more? I think we should go up more. I don't want to do it like right in the open. If anybody lives there still, you know. Let's go up there more. And let's see what we're recording at. Let's see what the video's at, guys. Alright. We're in first gear, right? Alright, so we're in neutral. Alright. Let's see here. It's nice back here. It is really nice back here. Let's see here. What's our recording at, guys? I don't want to make the video too long. Does it already say 6 minutes and 30 seconds? 6 minutes and 30 seconds. I just want to stop back here and tell you guys about the merchandise that I have coming out. So it's going to be Explore merchandise. That's the topic. It's going to be Explore, and then it's going to have our logo on the shirt in, I think, the front it was. And then for the hoodie, we have the logo in the back of the hoodie. And yeah, guys, we need 1,000 subscribers. We need 4,000 hours of watch time. I need to work on the thumbnail more and stuff like that. Maybe we should take a thumbnail right here. What do you guys think? Let's see here. Maybe we just like use a picture from this vlog. I have seen some people do it like that, where they just get off the bike and then just like, you know, pause the video and Snapchat a picture of the bike. Maybe we'll use this as a thumbnail. Test it out. Alright, let's get back on the road, guys. Thumbnail is a success, I think. Alright. So yes, let's get to 1,000 subscribers. We have 136 subscribers. Watch all my long videos from the beginning to the end, so we get those watch hours in, and then I'll see what I could do about connecting our store for our merchandise to our channel, because I don't think YouTube wants me posting links on under the description and stuff. But I'll do more research into that and see what's up. Let's go. I just wanted to get off the road because I wanted to come back here because it's nice back there. And I wanted to tell you guys about the merchandise store. That's the surprise I had in the other video that I didn't tell you guys when I told you I would, because I thought I was going to make this into one video, but I decided to cut it up into 2 videos, so it's better, you know. And back here is really nice. My friend used to live back there, so just wanted to come back here and cruise down that road. And now we don't have a lot of people behind us, so we can just cruise. Monetized is a lot of work. So if you just like my content, like all my videos, short videos, long form videos, just like them, and please subscribe to the channel and be a part of the community, that'd be awesome. Back there we can turn around on. There's a car catching up to us. I like cruising these back roads, guys. On a nice afternoon like this, I like cruising them, you know. Yeah, pass me. Go ahead, buddy, pass me, don't crash. But still, I like cruising the back roads, like, at a reasonable speed. Like, if you're in a car, then it's still not good to speed. Let's turn around right here. That guy was probably going like 85. He's already way up there. Ooh, this is interesting. Where is this guy? Where does this lead to? Channel, guys, I'm gonna do a lot of exploring this summer, exploring a lot of new places. As you guys see, we came back here and I don't even know where this leads to. I think it's a dead end, but I'm not sure. We're gonna find out. But we're gonna do a lot of exploring this summer, so yeah, just hit that bell notification button on so you guys don't miss out on any uploads. I'm gonna turn around. What is this? I'm gonna turn around up here. Yeah, I don't know where this goes to. I think it's just a house, because this one goes to the house, and then this one right here goes to, I think, another house. And then I don't know what that is on the tree. It looks like somebody sawed off a branch or something so they get through here. Interesting. I'm pretty sure that just leads down to like another house, so I'm not gonna go back there because there's an address right there, so maybe it's somebody's house way down there, which that would be a cool place to live, guys. All the way down there, like, but yeah, guys, guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Oh, we're going. There's a dog and he's chasing after us, and I don't want to find out if he has the shock, like the shock thing on the fence, like the distance he could run, you know. Alright, so anyways, yeah, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Alright. I think it was a black lab. I didn't think he was actually gonna chase us. But alright, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I definitely didn't want to find out if he was friendly or not. I mean, I'm a dog lover, you know. Dogs are friendly to me, but no, you can never tell the prediction of an animal, guys. Alright, guys, I'll see you in the next video. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers. We're at 136. Whoever subscribes to the channel is awesome. You're freaking awesome. Alright, yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.